We're out on farm today doing a demo with a Kramer KT144. Local customer who's dealt with us for a number of years. He got in contact with me the other day just to say he was interested in looking at a machine where he could clean out some tight access area sheds. Really narrow gateways, and he's got short cubicle buildings. So the Kramer KT144, perfect machine, really short machine, really narrow, but yet still boasts a good lift capacity, as well as being a telescopic machine. It's got a good reach. So we brought it along today with a couple of attachments, so he's able to get into those really tight areas and just show how the machine will perform on farm. This is a demo machine, so if you've got a similar problem whereby you're struggling to clean out your sheds or get access into your buildings, give us a call. We can bring this machine along, have a go with it on your farm and just show what the machine's capable of.